I stand at your gate, and the song that I sing is of moonlight. I stand and I wait for the touch of your hand in the June night. The roses are sighing a moonlight serenade. The stars are aglow, and tonight how their light sets me dreaming, my love. Do you know that your eyes are like stars brightly beaming? I bring you and sing you a moonlight serenade. Let us stray till the break of day in love's valley of dreams. Just you and I, a summer sky, a heavenly breeze, just in the trees. So don't let me wait. Come to me tenderly in the June night. I stand at your gate, and I sing your song.